This mini lecture presentation is the first in a two-part series to supplement the textbook readings and provide context for how this information connects to the Major Paper Assignment 2 essay prompt and research documents. This presentation will focus on Brown's A Community of Cars and how the essay connects to the Major Paper Assignment 2 prompt. By the end of this presentation and this module, you will be able to define, identify, and analyze claims and support strategies in texts. Understand how Brown's essay connects to the broader concept of arguing definitions. Use claims and textual evidence as a means of inquiry and further research. Develop a line of argumentative reasoning that incorporates claims and evidence from a variety of texts. Before we get started, let's think about what we did last time, what you can expect to see in this presentation, and a brief preview of what you can expect to see in the next presentation. Our session on September 30th was a synchronous session. We had our discussion of Rogerian argument and the introduction to arguing definitions. The Kahoot Challenge for Week 6B, Opposition, closed on Sunday, October 3rd at 11 p.m. Please contact me directly if you encountered any technical difficulties while playing the challenge. As I mentioned earlier, this presentation is the first in a two-part series to supplement the textbook reading and provide context for how Brown's essay connects to the Major Paper Assignment 2 prompt. If you choose to research and write about the functions or purposes of cars, you should decide how to incorporate Brown's argument in the line of reasoning that you will ultimately present in your essay. Your Major Paper Assignment 2 collaborative research documents will be due at 11 p.m. today, Tuesday, October 5th. The 24-hour grace period will end at 11 p.m. tomorrow, Wednesday, October 6th. The next presentation will focus on theories surrounding working class culture, which should logically build on the concepts of economy present in DeGraaf's essay, What's the Economy For Anyway? You will notice that the descriptions of theoretical principles and concepts of working class culture will be useful for developing questions and search terms for your own research. If you choose to research and write about the functions or purposes of the economy, you should decide how to incorporate DeGraaf's argument in the line of reasoning that you will ultimately present in your essay. Before you can see the connections in topic and form of argument, it's important to examine the moving parts of Brown's argument. Since we did not go over this discussion prompt in Module 1, I will outline Brown's main claim and supporting claims. The main claim in Brown's essay is that we are increasingly becoming a driver's society. You can look at page 26, paragraph 4, for a full description of the claim. Within this claim, Brown defines some specific effects of the driver's society. Our over-reliance on cars diminishes human needs. We also ignore the negative impacts to ourselves and the environment for the sake of convenience. When it comes to supporting claims, you will see that Brown begins with a definition of how cars function in society. We saw that with the main claim. Brown then introduces a series of sophisticated supporting claims to expand on the thesis. So in this case, again, we are increasingly becoming a driver's society. The impacts to human life and the environment encapsulated in the term driver's society become increasingly apparent in the subsequent claims. In other words, the supporting claims on the next slide. You will notice that there are numerous supporting claims in Brown's essay. These include, we are a society of drivers preferring to drive 10 miles over walking 2 blocks. You will see that after each quotation or reference, I have provided the paragraph number and, where applicable, the page number. The first passage appears on page 26 in paragraph 5. The next supporting claim is, in a society built around cars, not the people who drive them, we seem willing to sacrifice community for convenience. You can find that passage on page 27 in paragraph 6. We are also sacrificing the human body, perhaps the most efficient. And you can see that the passage continues on page 27 in paragraph 7. Walking truly is the most ecologically friendly mode of transport, yet we make every effort to minimize this activity. Again, you can find that passage within paragraph 7. He goes on to state, as our driving increases, our health deteriorates. We can see this leads to harmful pollution and increased stress. In paragraph 10, we see another supporting claim. That automobiles are environmentally harmful is inarguable. Continuing on, we can see that in the 11th paragraph, there's discussion of fuel prices. Relatively low fuel prices and high gas mileage keeps the cost of driving low, allowing this driver's society to perpetuate. As fuel economy increases, sprawl can expand further outward. While this leads to progress, we could consider to what extent does that progress benefit us or harm us. In paragraph 12, we see another claim. Perhaps if it costs us more to drive, we would be more conscious of how many miles we drive each day. There's also a discussion of government regulations in paragraph 12 that build upon this particular claim. The notion of walking any significant distance seems so alien to us, but the driver's society is a recent phenomenon, which you can find in paragraph 13. Toward the end, we can see that Brown moves to a claim of policy. Ultimately, it is individual choice that will determine if our communities are to become mere pit stops on the highway. We can choose the easy route and drive, or, and you can see the rest of this particular claim in paragraph 14. Now that we've broken down Brown's argument, we can think about major paper assignment 2. Your essay should present competing definitions of how your chosen tool or system functions in society. You will develop your own line of reasoning and thesis based on the analysis of your secondary research and Brown's essay. In this way, your argument of definition will respond to Brown's argument. If you choose to write about Brown's subject for your essay, you should conduct secondary research to discover your own line of reasoning. You can see some prompts for research on the left. Brown's claims point toward definitions of how cars work on us. In other words, physiological health, obesity, or sedentary lifestyle. And he also talks about how cars work on the environment. You should use research questions and search terms to find what is left out or what's not there in Brown's line of reasoning or thesis. Consider, for example, how the use of cars as a murder weapon or status symbol present competing definitions of how cars function in society. For these examples, we can see that the use of cars as a murder weapon or status symbol shows how people use cars. You can see the session recording from September 30th and the PowerPoint for week 6B. Please post general questions about this information to our general forum. For specific questions about your work, please contact me directly.